Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you would be fine and enjoying good health at home. This is me Faiza Zia, your SST teacher. We will start our lecture with the moral lesson, that is, we should help others. What is our today's moral lesson? Our today's moral lesson is we should help others. Helping others is not only good for them and a good thing to do, it also makes us healthier and happier too. And helping others also helps us. Our emotional and mental state is usually so much better after we have helped others. At least that has been my experience. And it's not all about money. We can also give others our time, our ideas, our energy. Okay, now let's proceed towards our lecture. Today we are going to revise our unit number 1. As you know that we have already done this unit, we have completed its explanation, exercise on book and workbook. Now today we are going to revise this unit again so that the concepts might be cleared in your mind. Here you can see the reading book pages of unit number 1. Okay, now we are going to revise this unit. Okay, first of all I want to tell you one thing, that I will ask some questions from you, and what you will do, first of all you will pause the video after listening the question, then you will think about the answer. After that you will play the video and can check that your answer is wrong or right. Okay, now first of all tell me, what is an earth? What is an earth? Earth is a planet. Yes, what is an earth? Earth is a planet. And into how many parts the earth is divided? Yes, the earth is divided into 2 parts. The earth is divided into 2 parts. One part is land portion and second part is water portion. And now tell me, how much part of earth is covered by water? Can you tell it? Yes, 70%. And how much part of earth is covered by land? Think about it. Yes, 30%. Okay, now we know that earth is divided into 2 portions. One is land portion and second one is water portion. Okay, now first of all we are going to discuss about water portion. Okay, water portion. Do you know that water portion is divided into oceans? And how many oceans are there? Yes, there are 5 oceans. Can you name those 5 oceans? Yes, Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean. Now can you name the largest ocean? Yes, Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Now can you name the smallest ocean? Yes, Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. And do you know about rivers and seas? Oceans are really very big. The big body of water is called ocean. And what about sea? Seas are smaller than the oceans. They are located at the places where land and oceans meet. And what about rivers? Rivers are the natural streams of water flowing from the mountains towards the sea. Okay, now we have discussed the water portion. And the second portion of earth was land portion. Now we are going to discuss about land portion. You know, land portion is divided into continents. And now can you answer this question? How many continents are there? Yes, there are 7 continents. Name 7 continents now. North America, Europe, Asia, Africa, South America, Antarctica, Australia. Okay, now name the largest continent. You can also learn these things from the interesting facts. Name the largest continent. Which is the largest continent? Asia is the largest continent. Now name the smallest continent. Australia is the smallest continent. Now can you answer this question? Which continent is called frozen continent? Yes, Antarctica is also called the frozen continent. And which continent is having no desert? Europe. Europe is having no desert. Okay. And do you know that these continents are further divided into countries? And how many countries are there in this world? 195 countries. Okay, now we will discuss some land features, some landforms. What are landforms? Natural features of Earth's surface are called landforms, like mountains, hills, plateaus, valleys, plains, deserts, islands, lakes. Now we will discuss them in detail. Okay, what about mountains? Mountains are the highest landforms on the surface of the earth. And can you name the highest peak of Pakistan? Yes, K2 is the highest peak of Pakistan. And what about hills? Hills are lower than mountains, means they are less high in position than mountains. They are higher than their surroundings. Now, can you answer that which city is called the Queen of Hills? Yes, Murray is called the Queen of Hills. Okay, now what about plateaus, valleys and plains? Plateaus. What are plateaus? A high area of flat land is called a plateau. A high area. Plateaus are also high, but their land is flat, just like a tabletop. Now, can you answer this question? Which two cities are called twin cities? Yes, Rawalpindi and Islamabad are called twin cities. Okay, now what about valleys? What are valleys? A plain area of land between hills or mountains is called a valley, as you can see in the picture also, that a flat land surrounded by mountains is called a valley. Can you name two valleys? Yes, Gilgit-Baltistan and Chitral Valley. What about plains? Plains are areas of flat land. What are plains? Plains are areas of flat land. Okay, now we are going to discuss about deserts, lakes and islands. What are deserts? Desert is a large, hot and dry land. It receives very little or no rainfall throughout the year. Now, can you name the largest desert? Yes, Thar is the largest desert of Pakistan. And what about islands? The piece of land which is surrounded by water from all sides is called island. And what is lake? The body of water which is surrounded by dry land from all sides is called lake. Means island and lakes are opposites from each other. The body of water which is surrounded by dry land is called lake. And what is island? A piece of land which is surrounded by water is called island. Okay, now can you answer this question? Which lake is the most beautiful lake in Pakistan? Yes, Saiful Muluk Lake is the most beautiful lake in Pakistan. Okay, all these landforms are the blessings of Allah for us. They are important for our survival in one way or the other. We must take care of all these landforms. Okay, now our home task, you will read this unit 3 times. Take care. Allah Hafiz.